episode for English for academic and professional purposes. Today we will learn how to do sourcing or referencing. We already know that there are two main types of formatting styles. These are the APA format, or the American Psychological Association format, and the other one is the MLA, or the Modern Language Association format. So, the APA and the MLA format quite differ from each other. APA format is used when we do research papers and other more formal papers, while MLA naman, on the other hand, is commonly used for essays. There are other formatting styles also, like Chicago and Harvard. Apparently, what we are discussing today are just these two, the MLA and the APA. Now, I'll present to you the basic pattern of referencing for these two formatting styles. With the APA, it starts with the author's last name, followed by a semicolon, and then the author's initials. So if my name is Maria Fe, my initials would be MF. Then, the year of the publication, the title of the article. After the title would be the sources or the publication or the publisher, and then the pages. While on the MLA naman, it still starts with the author's last name, then followed by a comma, then after that would be the author's first name, but this time, it should be written in full. After the author's first name would be the title of the article, and then afterwards will be the source or the publisher, and then the year of the publication and the pages. And also, how do we do in-text citations for our academic paper? First, we have to add references for every direct quotation we have used. Now, if an author defined teaching strategy as the pattern of acts that we use in order for us to attain specific outcomes, then please mention the author who says that definition. Then, how do we do the formatting if we choose APA as a style? We do it by putting the author's last name, followed by a comma, then the year of the publication. Then the second one, we have to add references for every exact data, number, and statistics we have borrowed. So if you mention that 1,670 of children were exploited in Africa, then you have to tell the source. Now, if you're using MLA format naman, you can do it by putting the author's last name, comma, and then the pages. However, there are cases na may mga nakukuha tayong articles or text coming from an online source. So, usually, wala siyang pages. So, all we have to do is put an NP, which means no page. Okay? Now, the third one is we also have to add references for every idea, concept, or theory we have discussed. Now, if you make use of the competence motivation theory, please mention the proponent and the year also. Then after that, we also need to add references for every study or research paper we have referred to. Many studies have found that students with disabilities gained higher skills through inclusive education. Now, if you use that statement, you have to mention who are the authors who obtained these results. So, I hope you've learned something for today about sourcing and referencing. Bye, everyone.